Well, there's no question that over the last few years there's been a real uptick in the popularity of artificial turf, and for good reason. It's extremely low maintenance, it's great for pets and children, and maybe even practicing that putting or chipping to get that golf game to the next level. But the fact is that artificial turf has much more in common with pavers and its installation than it does natural grass. And the importance of the base cannot be overstated. You must use a road crush base. You're going to tamp that road crush. A minimum of 4 inches of that product needs to be used. And then we use crushed limestone to make the contours and follow the grade that we want. These are extremely important for a couple of reasons. The foundation we need, and it has to stand up to erosion and rushing water. So we get a beautiful project that's going to be great for years to come, withstand the elements, and look great all year round. We'll see you next time on Classic Landscaping.